very good morning to all of you. It's me Maya and they all are my drama partners. So today we are here to perform a drama on the title of our Pakistani Army, our pride. So let me first introduce everyone's role in our drama. So first, she is Miss Bakhtawa. She plays the role of Sarah in our drama. She is the student of grade 10th in our drama. She is Miss Komal. She plays the role of Aisha in our drama. She is the class teacher of grade 10th in our drama. He is Mr. Kuldeep. He plays the role of Ahmad in our drama. He is the student of grade 10th in our tableau. And he is Mr. Amit. He plays the role of Hassan in our drama. He is the student of grade 5th in our tableau. So let's start it.
Good morning, students and respected guests. Today we gather to honor the sacrifices and the bravery of our Pakistani army. Our soldiers stand at the borders who protect us, even if it costs them their lives. We are honored to have with us Colonel Maya, a retired officer who has served in many critical missions. Let's give her a round of applause.
Ma'am, it is an honor to meet you. I always admired our Pakistan Army. They are the one type of shield of our country, protecting us from every kind of danger. Could you tell us about experience in the army?
Thank you, young man. Serving in the army is a great privilege and a great responsibility. I have spent my 30 years in a uniform defending our borders in a Siachen Militia, Kashmir and Waziristan. Many of my friends sacrificed their lives so that Pakistan remains safe.
Ma'am, what motivates a soldier to keep going despite all the dangers?
Our love for Pakistan. When a soldier puts on his uniform, he knows that he is no more living for himself, but for 220 million Pakistanis. We face many difficulties like harshest weather, enemy attacks, and sleepless nights. But we never complain because Pakistan comes first.
Colonel ma'am, I want to be soldier, but my mother says it's very dangerous. Don't soldiers get scared.
Brave soldiers do feel fear, Hassan, but they never let it stop them. We learn to overcome fears through trainings, discipline, and having a strong faith in Allah. In war, we didn't think about ourselves, but for our country and its people.
Ma'am, I have read about Major Aziz Bhatti. He fought for 6 days in 1965 war defending Lahore till his last day, and his bravery is unmatched.
That's the spirit, Ahmad. But do you all know that what is the biggest weapon of our army?
Guns, tanks, or fighter jets?
No, Hassan. The biggest weapon of our army is faith, unity, and discipline. These are the three golden principles given by Qaidism. A soldier's fight is not just with weapon, but with courage and patriotism.
Ma'am, how difficult is life in the army?
A soldier's life is not easy at all. We wake up at 4 a.m., train for hours, and we stay alert day and night all the time. And we stay away from our families for months, for years. I remember one evening when I was posted in a Siachen glacier where the temperature was minus 15 degrees Celsius. There was no family, no celebration, only snow and duty. But we were proud because our country needed us.
Ma'am, your sacrifices makes me even more grateful to our soldiers. We celebrate Eid safely just because you stand on the border for us.
That's the spirit, Ahmad. A true Pakistani never forgets the sacrifice of his protectors.
Ma'am, what should I do to become a soldier like you?
Work hard in your studies. Be physically strong and have a brave heart. Being a soldier is not just about holding a gun, but it's all about protecting the weak, serving the nation, and fighting against injustice.
Children, not everyone can be in the army, but we all have a duty to serve our country, Pakistan. Whether you become a doctor, engineer, scientist, or a teacher, you must contribute to your country's progress.
I wanna join army to make my country proud.
I'll become a journalist and highlight the sacrifices of our brave soldiers.
I will study hard and become a soldier like Colonel Mem.
That's the spirit of a true Pakistani. Remember, our country is our identity. Always work for its success. Never forget to love your country and never your homeland be down. I'm taking the oath. We, the soldiers of Pakistan, promise to always love, respect, and serve our country. I will never let our homeland down. Pakistan! 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 Pak Fauj!
Pakistan Zindabad.
Pakistan Zindabad. Pak Fauj Zindabad.
So from this drama of ours, we get an important moral to value the sacrifices and the efforts our soldiers and martyrs have made to keep us safe, to give us peaceful nights to sleep, so we can sleep calmly with a reassurance in our heart that our army is at the borders, protecting us no matter what, even if it costs them everything they have. Thanks.